Hello, Aries. Ito na yung reading mo for the month of June. Kamusta? Ano yung mga paparating sa'yo this June? Aries. Uy, vacation. Magkakaroon ka ng time para unwind, relax. Maaring bigyan ka ng disappointment ng person mo or friend mo. Iba baka maka-receive kayo ng recognition sa work. Oo. And meron kang period of prosperity and abundance. Ayan. Mag-ingat ka, may warning dito about danger. Or someone is, not being truthful or merong sinisikreto sa'yo. Check natin love life mo. Love life. Ako, may cheating. Mukhang magka-problema kayo ni person mo, dear. Naku, sorry naman. Meron kasi dito nagpo-flirt, whether may nagpo-flirt sa person mo o siya yung nagpo-flirt sa iba. Oo, may nagkakagusto sa kanya. Possible na may temptation, third party. So, nakikita ko dito is susubukin yung katatagan ng relationship ninyo dahil dito. Merong may akitan na mangyayari eh. So, susubukin yung inyong relationship this June. Pwedeng you're dealing with someone who is narcissist, self-absorbed. Pwede ring one-sided yung relationship ninyo wherein unfair kasi syempre, di ba? Hindi pantay yung give and take. So, check natin. Tarot cards. Yes. May manipulation. Someone will try to use you, fool you, manipulate you. Ayan. You could be dealing with Gemini, Virgo, or Aries. Itong person na to, itatry ka niya talagang bilugin yung ulo mo, utuin ka, take advantage ka pa, or magsinungaling sa'yo. And meron ka world card, which is a card ng achievement or something na matatapos mo this June. Malaki ito. Malaki itong matatapos mo na to. Kasi nga, parang sort of achievement siya. Nako. So, yun talaga, may disharmony pagdating sa love life, sa relationship. Pwede may pag-aaway, break up, gulo. Malaking problema, decision or choice to make. Okay, so yan yung pinaka-maiksing reading mo for the month of June, Aries. Thank you so much for dropping by para manood. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Pa-share na rin tong ating reading. Sana makatulong sa'yo. Take care. God bless. Babush!